Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best designer key holders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is KeySmart Compact Key Holder. KeySmart Extended Key Organizer is another product in the list of KeySmart organizers. It's the same as that of KeySmart, only the size has been increased on customers' demand. Additionally, the best part is there is no alteration in the price. Apart from being 4.5 by 0.6 by 3.1 inches of size, this key holder is quite bigger than KeySmart. It weighed 0.6 ounces. Also, it is capable of holding 10 keys maximum. Rest of the qualities are alike of KeySmart. This allows you to handle your keys effectively and at a single place. Number 2. Our second best pick is CARBOCAGE KeyCage, the Smart Carbon Key Organizer. The CARBOCAGE KeyCage key organizer made in Germany is a compact and stylish key organizer. Made of carbon fiber, this key organizer is solid and lightweight. It only weighs 0.5 ounces. Additionally, it provides easy and fast access to keys. Moreover, it can withhold 14 keys at a time. Also, the key can be accessed by a single hand. The keys are kept on hold by the stainless steel bolts which help in easy folding. It allows you to use the keys in a hurry easily. In addition, this CARBOCAGE KeyCage is large in diameter. Along with 3.3 by 1.1 by 0.5 inches as dimensions which provides full coverage to all the keys, this is definitely helpful for your keys. However, even after being a well-engineered model, it has an exception. The exception being it sometimes becomes difficult to configure your keys properly with this product. Number 3. Our third best pick is KeySmart Classic Compact Key Holder. KeySmart is a permanent solution to a mess of keys. With lots of keys, it becomes difficult to find the right keys at the right times. The KeySmart Key Organizer gives a single space for all these keys without any mess in your pocket. This 3.9 by 2 by 0.7 inches best key holder is easy to assemble and handle. Additionally, along with keys, you can even hold your USB drive very easily. Being stylish, this 0.8 ounce KeySmart holder helps you to hold 2 to 10 keys in an organized manner. In case of more keys, a custom expansion post is provided. This really adds efficiency to the organizer as this expansion helps to hold as many as 100 keys in a single holder without causing any disturbances. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Clips Smart Compact Key Organizer Holder Keychain. To keep every key in your life on track and in a proper order, all you need is this Clips Key Organizer. It is a particular type of key carrier that can organize nearly 18 different keys or tools. What else would we need? This Clips Key Organizer features a very practical and compact design that makes it perfect to fit in your pockets. Hence, it helps you to reduce the space issues which arise when you need to keep a lot of keys. Also, it eliminates the frustrating jingling sound which is usually produced by a bunch of keys. Moreover, the Clips Key Organizer is made of high-quality carbon fiber which makes it very strong and lightweight. Lastly, key features of this Clips Key Organizer also includes the light weight of the product along with the strongest body. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Foyer Leather Key Organizer. The Foyer Key Organizer has a smart compact design. It fits in your pocket without digging into it. This Foyer Leather Key Organizer is very durable, ensuring that it will last a lifetime. The Foyer Key Organizer is made of 100% top-grain Italian leather which ages beautifully. Due to its leather body, the weight of the key carrier is negligible, only 0.3 ounces. Furthermore, this key organizer includes 3 bolts for holding different numbers of keys. It includes one 0.79 inches, one 0.99 inches, and one 1.18 inches long stainless steel bolt each with a diameter of 0. 15 inches. Due to the small diameter, 0.15 inches, almost all keys can fit into the bolt, serving you the perfect key holder. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.